Now there are some different ways that you can share your Google Sheets with others. So let's look at the most common. Let's look at the share button up in the top right corner, and we're going to copy the link. And this link is only going to be for all of the entire spreadsheet, all of the tabs that are at the bottom. But if I don't want to share out the whole thing, I can use the share button on the left side. And you'll see here it's going to give me a link to the entire document, but it's a drop down. So I can go to Elementary, and I'm going to publish that. And it's going to say, are you sure you want to publish? I say okay. And I'm going to look at the settings that are down here, and it's only publishing the Elementary tab, and it's automatically going to republish it if changes are made. That's what I want. So I copy the link, and I'm going to put that into a new tab in my browser here. Paste that right in there, and here is the Elementary tab that link is associated with. Notice no tabs at the bottom because I'm only sharing out the Elementary. This is awesome. So I can go back to the share button, and you'll see that I'm sharing out the Elementary. I can stop publishing it anytime I want, and I also can choose to use an embed code. This is where I could put it on a web page if I wanted to. And again, I can choose which one I want to share out, copy that link, and put it on a web page or somewhere else. Isn't that awesome? I think that's just so great. Thanks for watching, and if you hit that subscribe button, you'll get more videos about Google.